One of the most influential physics papers of the 20th century was actually written by a cat. Specifically this cat, FDC Willard. The paper is an influential view on atomic behavior and has been cited several times through the decades since 1975. So what's the story behind this genius cat? Glad you asked. So Willard may have had a roommate that might have been a co-author of this paper. Jack Hetherington of Michigan State University. Jack had finished the paper and was all set to send it to Physical Review Letters, but after reviewing with a colleague, he noticed that he used the words we and our throughout the paper. This wouldn't have been accepted as a sole author submission, and since it was the 70s, retyping the whole thing would have been quite the task. So he looked at his cat Chester and decided to add a co-author. Under the name FDC Willard, FD standing for the scientific name for house cats, Felix domesticus, followed by C for Chester, and Willard was Chester's father's name, and their paper was accepted. After it was published, they sent signed copies to their friends, including the paw print of FDC Willard himself. But now the cat was out of the bag, and instead of the paper being thrown out, Willard was actually invited to join the university's physics department full-time. And he went on to publish another paper as the sole author. More recently, the APS in 2014 announced that all cat-authored papers will now be available as open access documents. The APS also announced this on April 1st, so who knows, right? For more great true stories like this, hit that follow button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.